Good day on the beach. Went to the beach twice today. Saw some friends of my parents, had a nice conversation with them. Got work done. Was very productive. Had some touching moments with my parents. And was connected with myself. It's hard to do that sometimes. Sometimes we really get pulled away from ourselves. I felt myself being pulled away from myself this morning. Woke up in this new place where there's a lot of old history that pulls me away from myself, and it's encouraging to see myself get better at staying within myself, staying in the present. I got a glimpse at how much of my life I've lived in the past, as I felt that past pulling me away from myself, and how it does a good job of having you act from the past as opposed to being present and acting in the present. And there are a lot of memories here. And driving around today, I got to sample some of those memories. And I think the biggest aha moment was to see how far I've come, how different I am today from the man I was in some of those memories, which doesn't necessarily make those memories unhappy. But I'm glad I'm the man I am today. I'm glad that I went through what I went through to get to today. And by extension, that makes me excited for the future. I look forward to seeing who I'll be in 8 years. It'll be still different. And I'll look at the person I am today and think he had a lot to learn. Just like I look back 8 years before today and say to myself, that man had a lot to learn. No matter where we are, no matter how much we've learned, we always have a lot to learn. So let's keep learning.